Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video, we are going to solve the problem divisible sum pairs. You are given an array of n integers and a positive integer k. Find and print the number of I, j pairs where I less than j and array of I plus array of j is divisible by k. Let's see an example. This is the array and k will be 5. Our three pairs meeting the criteria are 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3 and 4 plus 6. If we add the pairs, the total is divisible by 5. We can't solve the problem in a single iteration. We have to use a brute force approach. Let's solve the problem. Initialize the count to 0. Initialize a loop up to the length of the array and the inner loop starting from I plus 1 to n, because I should be less than j. Now we check for the condition array of I plus array of j modulus k equals 0. If the condition satisfies, increment the count. Finally, return the count. This is a straightforward approach. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yes, we solved the problem. That's it, guys. If you have any queries, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.